Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gamers Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to download Monopoly Go on Android device. To download Monopoly Go on Android is super easy. Make sure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet, whether it is a Wi-Fi or cellular data, and then open your Google Play Store. Go to the search box appearing at the top and type in Monopoly Go. Look for the Monopoly Go application from Scopely and then tap on the install button to start downloading it on your Android phone. You will now need to wait for a couple of minutes until the app gets downloaded, and once it does, you can simply start playing Monopoly Go on your Android device. That is how you easily download and install Monopoly Go on Android. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.